This is John from Menken Generators. We just completed an install here in Warminster. Nice people. We did a fabulous job, if I must say. I'm going to show you the transfer switch here on the side. Again, we put surge protection on the transfer switch. We ran the wiring for the generator through the attic all the way to the other side where the generator is. Really, really nice people. We meet a lot of nice people. That's what keeps us going. We love what we do. The generator's on the opposite side, so we had to run the wire through the attic for the generator. Communication wire, Cat 6 wire. And here's the generator. They also needed a larger meter. They also had to have a service increased from the street to the house. And we got them a heck of a deal on it. Again, we put the filter on the gas line, shut-off valve. Just a fabulous, fabulous job. Really like the way it turned out. And they're static. Again, we put down grass seed, straw, mulch around it. You know, we just want the thing looking nice when we leave. Again, check us out, menkengenerators.com, M-E-N-K-E-N generators.com. Give us a call. Thanks. Bye.